Hi, my name is Scott Rohde. I'm the product sales manager here at Surveyor, and today we're going to walk you through the Surveyor Legend 19Bhle. This falls in our sub-4 category. These are trailers that start below 4,000 pounds. They're geared for those that don't have large tow vehicles, or they don't want to spend a lot of time inside the trailer. They want to tow it and go to a lot more places that some longer trailers might not be able to go to. Think of Surveyor as these 7 words: the best constructed, most turnkey, ready to go. So to take you through the BHLE, you'll see oversized bunks, 2 bunks here in the corner. We added a bunk ladder this year. Didn't have that before. Nice privacy curtain all the way around, and then on top you've got curtains there and a curtain down below at the window. As we move over towards the dinette area, you'll see a large picturesque window. You'll also be able to turn this dinette into a bed, so if you want to bring 1 or 2 more people, this coach will sleep up to 6 folks. In the Legend, we have doors that open underneath for storage. Above the slide out, we have nice mood lighting that you can turn on and off, or to just illuminate through the night if you need a night light. And next to that in the center is a center block that shows our new Surveyor logo. Going over towards the kitchen, we go past the AC, and we're using a 15,000 BTU AC standard in all the sub-4s. This is a Coleman Mott, and with that, it's also a more efficient air-flowing AC. It's quieter as well for a smaller coach like this. What else is not small is a refrigerator. This is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. It's 12 volt, so it'll run on your batteries. It also switches over to shore power when you're plugged in. Nice herringbone backsplash. Went ahead and put a smooth glass top on the burner, so you've got extra counter space if you need it. Down below is a convection microwave. We compete with a lot that just have microwaves. This coach is pretty cool too, because we introduced a new stainless sink that's undermount. This countertop is a concrete Soho countertop. Really modern, looks great in person. It's a Surfix brand, and it's seamless. It fights mold and mildew, antibacterial, etc. And we're also using that in our bathroom as well as on our dinettes. Sink cover helps create more counter space if you need it. Nice high-rise back faucet. Drawers down below, and off to the side somewhere in our coaches is our pet-friendly feature. And in this particular model, because we have drawers, you're still going to get your kitchen garbage can. And we pointed this out before. It's a 3-gallon one, and it fits those little bags that we all have piled up somewhere in our house. So it gives you a place to use that. Big change this year, we took curtains away. We did that in all the Legends, actually. So the Legends are going to get this, you're going to lose me here in a second, but a really cool slow close shower door. Easy enough for children to operate. Keeps all the water in. And you've got plenty of elbow room and height, as you can see in here. Like the other coaches, we added the nice resort-style vanity mirror that when it opens up, you can put vanity things in there as well as your toothbrushes. Hides in pretty neat. The octagon backsplash, again, I don't know anyone else using backsplashes in their bathrooms. The rectangular resort-style sink, along with the resort-style bath hooks that are holding our laundry hamper, which also has the logo, the Surveyor logo and name on it. And again, we went with a laundry hamper instead of a laundry chute because, heck, you can put this anywhere. You can put it under your bed, in your car, what have you, versus a plastic hamper that things can fly in and out of. So this is one of our newest things for this year. Along with the porcelain toilets that we've been using last year, you still get a little trash can. It's hard to see underneath the sink in this one and other ones that's screwed on. That little trash can works pretty well for holding little, Q-tips, Kleenex, cotton balls, things that you don't want to throw down and flush down your porcelain toilet. Also get a nice toilet tissue holder that we've went ahead and designed with a nice vertical one with that. As we move through the bathroom, hey, we get asked all the time, us and our dealers, about extended camping seasons. Will this camp 3-4 seasons? Well, what's pretty neat this year for us is we still have the ductless forced air furnace, but one of these ducts now are pointed into the underbelly. So if it's cold weather camping, you're running your furnace, you're keeping your underbelly and your tanks heated. Unlike, I don't know anyone else in this category doing that. Hey, in the 19Bhle, when you're comparing the Surveyor Legend to others, lie down on the bed. A lot of the beds are what they call RV queens. They're only 74 inches long. In the Surveyor, you get a true queen, 80 inches long, and that makes a huge difference. You're spending all this money on a trailer, you're gonna wanna sleep for at least 8 hours if you're lucky, and if the kids let you. Why not have a bed to where you actually fit on? And if you look here, you've got power outlets just like the other Surveyors, CPAP machine, charge your phone, and cup holders because I'm one that likes to take a bottle of water to bed as well. Overhead, you've got the nice prism glass curio doors, plenty of storage for sweatshirts, jeans, and what have you. And even underneath, you take a look, and like if you're like us, put a duffel bag, shoes, pet food, all that kind of stuff will fit under there as well. So the bedroom is a really big, important part of looking at these smaller trailers. Hey, again, new this year for the Surveyor Legend are these beautiful platform steps. Will easily hold my weight and pretty much everybody else's. You come on outside. If you recall, we talked about best constructed, most turnkey, ready to go, those 7 words. We've been seeing a lot of those turnkey, ready to go things. We've been seeing a lot of construction things. But this is what you want to look for when you're comparing the Surveyor 19Bhle to other trailers. Look for this Asdel on board sticker. What that means is wherever you see fiberglass on the outside, the side walls, the rear wall, the front wall, and the 3 sides on the slide, that means we're using Asdel behind that. And there's a lot of great selling features behind Asdel versus what others are using as glue on wood. Number one is it protects and defends against any kind of delamination. It is completely mold and mildew resistant. It repels water, it's lighter, it's more sound deadening when you're inside. So look for Asdel on board and know when you compare us, we've got it. The other sticker you're going to want to look for is this one, PVC roofing system. When you look at a PVC roofing system, the number one thing that stands out is you don't have to get up there and stand and clean it and treat it every year or every 6 months. So you're going to save hundreds of dollars a year in that type of, not having to do that activity. On top of that, it's more UV protectant, so it deflects about 20%, 30% more heat that would be going into your camper, so your comfort level is going to be better inside. It's stronger and more durable than other roofing materials. On top of that, a 15-year warranty with no proration, so they stand behind their product. That's a lot of the best constructed. Going back towards the door, we also added to all the Legends a bigger grab handle, and then the Euro-style, easy, open, motorhome-style kind of door. And with that, you're not fussing and wrestling with the paddle anymore. So look for that, and we have it. As I move towards the front, this is pretty neat. We added the slam latch, baggage door, handle on everything. And on the inside, if you'll come with me and look in here, you'll see the aluminum bed base and a motion light, which just opened as I moved my hand. Hey, and this is something I've always wanted to do. We added a new 3/4 inch drill bit holder for the stab jacks. But if you come in here, you'll notice in the front baggage, the light just popped on, the motion light. There's the drill bit holder. And I'm going to go ahead and attempt this myself. We just happen to have a drill sitting here, and I will put that in. And if you've got a stopwatch, get ready, because watch how easy it is to level your camper. Anybody? And then to return it, put that bit, and that was pretty fun. But I will say that we get asked all the time, put the bit back, asked all the time how long it takes. It only takes maybe a couple of seconds, so that was fun for me. I hope it was for you. Hey, just want to say what's really exciting when you're looking at small trailers like the sub-4s that we're building, look for an outside kitchen. Very hard to find. What we did is we took everything we could and put it on here. So you've got the griddle that you're getting on all your Legends and all your Grand Surveyors. 15-foot spray port right off to the side for cleaning and spraying animals and what have you. And then we have a prep shelf. All this is anchored in. If you take a look at this prep shelf right on this bar, this griddle would slide off and store all this in the front baggage. Again, this is going to be hard to find on anything you're competing with. One of the reasons we say best constructed, most turnkey, ready to go. With the Surveyor Legend and the Grand Surveyor, what you're going to notice in the rear wall is we're using a diamond ice fiberglass finish. On the sides, we're using a white star fiberglass. We are two-tone there, as well as on the slide-out ends when there's a slide-out. You'll notice the rear backup camera prep. I always say it's a lot cheaper than the deductible. If we were to climb this ladder together, we would see an 80-watt solar panel. Go Power and us have partnered this year to go ahead and add solar to all of our Surveyors. I want to thank you for taking the time to walk through the Surveyor Legend 19Bhle with me. A lot to show, a lot to compare with. If you want more information, please visit our website at www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor, and you'll see this video as well as other items on there. So thank you again and enjoy the journey. Appreciate it.